Hello everyone. I am the designer. The Prairie-style villa is a poetic resonance between nature and architecture. Looking inside, the wooden structured space is open and transparent. The large windows frame the vast prairie. The furniture is low-lying and simple. The collision of stone leather and burl AP integrates the natural texture into daily life. In the bedroom, with the rammed earth wall and leather-covered bedside, one can enjoy the view through the window, making sleep in harmony with the meadow. In the dining room, the long log table is paired with rattan woven chairs. As the light and shadow fall, having a meal becomes a conversation with the wilderness. In the outdoor courtyard, the stone-paved path winds through drought-tolerant plants. The Wright-style bench is accompanied by ancient trees, and the water feature wall has a gentle flow of water. The architecture and nature are seamlessly connected. This villa takes nature as its soul and architecture as its bone, enabling residents to coexist with the prairie every day and regain the relaxation and vastness between heaven and earth.